Good morning, students. Hope you all are fine and you are able to understand the classes what we have been explaining you. In the previous session, we were discussing about the Boolean algebra, and today's session we will be continuing the same chapter, Boolean algebra. So today's session is the chapter number 2, Boolean algebra, and today's class is session number 21, part number 21 of Boolean algebra. In the previous class, I had given you information about the change in the blueprint or the weightage of this chapter, and in the previous session I also told you that the weightage of this chapter has been increased from 13 marks to 14 marks. Let's have a look as to the weightage of this chapter. So the weightage of this chapter has been changed, and the weightage of this chapter according to the new blueprint is 16 marks, and you will get one mark question, one 2 mark question, one 3 mark question, and two 5 mark question from this chapter. So let's get started and let's continue the topic previous session's topic, that is the simplification or minimization of the Boolean expression. And today's topic is also the same thing, that is simplification and minimization of Boolean expression. And uh, we will be using algebraic method to do that. Previous session also we discussed one example, and we applied various Boolean theorems to simplify that, and today also we will be learning or we will be working out with few more examples, and let us see how we can do that. So in the previous session, we used the algebraic method, that is to simplify a b bar c d bar plus a b bar c d plus a b c d bar plus a b c d. So we saw different Boolean theorems, we applied complementary laws, and also we used the factoring method. By factoring method, we removed from the first two terms, we saw, so from the first two terms, that is a b bar c d bar plus a b bar c d, we took the common terms out by applying the factoring method. That is, we took a b bar c, and there were d bar plus d left, and from the other two, that is a b bar. So from the other two, that is the other two expressions, ABC D bar plus ABC ಇದೆರಡರೊಳಗು ABC ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ABC ನ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ತೆಗೆದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ D bar plus D ಉಳ್ಕೊಂತು. As we know that there is a complementary law, D bar plus D is 1. So we applied that complementary law, and then we again simplified the expression. So now we will see the next expression using the algebraic method we can simplify. So ಇನ್ನೊಂದು example ನೋಡೋಣ. The next example what we will be trying to solve here is reduce the expression xy whole bar plus x bar plus xy. So let us see how we can do this. So xy whole bar plus x bar plus xy. So let's see how we can reduce this expression using algebraic method. So let's get started and let's try x, y, So xy whole bar plus x bar plus xy. So now let us see how we can reduce this or how we can simplify. Xy whole bar, we can apply the De Morgan's theorem. By applying De Morgan's theorem, we will be getting x bar plus y bar plus x bar plus xy. So we can rearrange, as we know that x plus y is equal to y plus x anta ಒಂದು Boolean theorem ಇದೆ. xy is equal to yx. So rearrange will not make a big difference. So we will rearrange x bar plus x bar plus xy plus y bar. So that y and y bar barli, x bar and x bar barli. So we will apply x bar plus x bar is equal to x bar. So there is one Boolean theorem which says that x plus x is equal to x. So x bar plus x bar is equal to x bar plus x. We will apply complementary law for y plus y bar, that is x plus x bar is equal to 1. Now x bar plus x ANDed with 1 is x. Again we apply the complementary law, x bar plus x is equal to 1. So the reduced expression of x bar xy whole bar plus x bar plus xy is equal to 1. Let's see the same example again. We will work out the same example again. So we will try, just concentrate the theorems what I will be applying. So here I applied De Morgan's theorem, and then here we applied the idempotence law, that is x plus x is equal to x, and then here we are applying the complementary laws. So let's work on this particular example again. So just have a look. Okay, fine. Let's try reducing the given expression xy whole bar plus x bar plus xy. So we will be applying De Morgan's theorem for xy whole bar. De Morgan's theorem ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ, as there are two De Morgan's theorem, so which says that xy whole bar is equal to x bar plus y bar. So similarly there is the second Boolean, there is one more Boolean theorem which says that x plus y whole bar is equal to x bar ANDed with y bar. So same we are applying this theorem here. Okay. So now let us apply the De Morgan theorem for the first one. So x plus y whole bar ಗೆ De Morgan's theorem apply ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಅದು apply ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ we will be getting x bar plus y bar plus x bar plus xy. So there is a idempotence law which says as x plus x is equal to x. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇದೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬಾರ್ ಇದೆ ಮತ್ತು ವೈ ಬಾರ್ ಇದೆ. ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಶಫ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀವಿ. ವಿಲ್ ರೀಶಫಲ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಶಫಲ್. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬಾರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬಾರ್ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ಬನ್ನಿರಿ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವೈ ಬಾರ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಈ ಥರ ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ವೈ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಲಿ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬಾರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬಾರ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬಾರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸ್, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ವೈ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವೈ ಬಾರ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ 1. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬಾರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ x added with 1 is x. So as we know that x bar plus x is 1. So we have reduced the given expression. X bar y bar ಗೆ De Morgan's theorem apply ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, plus x bar plus xy. Then we have x bar plus y bar plus x bar xy ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು rearrange ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. Here we are rearranging so that y bar ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಯಾಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ವೈ ಮತ್ತು ಈ ವೈ ಬಾರಿಗೆ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ರಿ ಲಾ, ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬಾರ್ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬಾರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬಾರ್ ಇಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬಾರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವೈ ಬಾರ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1. ಸೊ ಎ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡೆಡ್ ವಿತ್ 1 is the variable itself. So the complementary law will be x plus x bar is equal to 1. Hope you have understood this. Hope you have understood. Let's go on. Let's move on to the next simplification expression. So now we have one more exercise, that is one more problem here, one more Boolean expression. Minimize AB plus AC whole bar plus A B bar C multiplied or ANDed with AB plus C. So let us see how we can simplify this using Boolean algebraic method. ಈಗ ನೋಡೋಣ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಹೇಗೆ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂತ. So let us see how we can simplify this AB plus AC bar. So AB plus AC whole bar plus AB bar C and AB plus ANDed with AB plus. So let us see how we can simplify this. So AB plus AC whole bar plus AB bar C. So ANDed with AB plus C. So let us first multiply or AND AB bar C with AB plus C. So it will be A B plus A C whole bar plus A B bar C. ಇದರ ಜೊತೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ it will be A B bar C A B plus A B bar C plus A B bar C C. So now, as you can see, we can reshuffle some of the terms. So A, B plus AC whole bar we can rearrange. So A, B bar, B, C plus A, B bar, C ANDed with C is C. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ A and A is A. So ಒಂದು theorem ಇದೆ which says that x ANDed with x is x. X plus x is also x. That we can apply. So now A, B plus AC whole bar plus A ANDed with A is A. B bar, B ANDed with B bar is 0 ANDed with C plus A, B bar, C. As we know that anything ANDed with 0 is 0. So A, B plus AC whole bar, anything ANDed with 0 is 0 plus A, B bar, C. So now A, B plus AC whole bar plus A, B bar, C. So now we can see, as there is a whole bar, we can apply De Morgan's theorem, and after applying De Morgan's theorem we will be getting A, B plus A bar ANDed with C bar plus A, B bar, C. So let us see how further we can simplify this. So now the expression what we have here is A, B plus A bar ANDed with C bar plus A, B bar, C ಈಗ ಇದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ. So now we will rearrange. So A, B plus A, B bar, C plus A bar ANDed with C bar. Now you can see, as A is common, we will remove by factoring. A na common ಇದೆ, ಹೊರಗಡೆ ತೆಗಿತೀವಿ. So A ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹೋದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ B ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ B ಬಾರ್ ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತೆ C ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ A bar and C bar. So now B plus B bar is 1. A 1 ANDed with C plus A bar ANDed with C bar ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Now A 1 and C is 1, C plus A bar ANDed with C bar. A into C is AC plus A bar ANDed with C bar. So now we can just rearrange the terms. So C bar and A bar. So now C plus C bar. So C plus C ಬಾರಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟರಿ ಲಾ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So when we apply it will be 1. So it will be A 1 A bar. A ANDed with 1 is A and A bar. A ANDed with 1 is 0. I know this problem is little complicated one, and we need to know complementary laws, idempotence laws very well so that we can reduce this expression. So let's start from the beginning. Let me explain this again so that you will not get confused. Stay tuned. So stay tuned. Let us start the same problem again, that is AB plus AC whole bar plus A B bar C plus ಇಲ್ಲ AB plus C. AB plus C. So now we will see how we can reduce this expression. Let us keep AB as it is and AC whole bar as it is, plus we will multiply A B bar C with AB. So it will be A B bar C AB multiply ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ plus, so it will be A B bar C and C. Now A B plus A C whole bar plus, we will rearrange the terms, so it will be A B bar B C plus A B bar C X ANDed with X is X, so C and C is C. So now A B plus AC whole bar plus A ANDed with A is A, B bar ANDed with B complement ANDed with B is 0, C plus A B bar C. Now A B plus AC whole bar plus anything ANDed with 0 is 0 plus A B bar C. So now AB plus AC whole bar plus anything or ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ same ಬರುತ್ತೆ, so it will be A B bar C. So hope till here you have understood this. I'll just erase. So now we have a b plus ac whole bar plus a b bar c. So we will apply De Morgan's theorem for this. So it will be a b plus a bar plus c bar plus a b bar c. So we can just rearrange some of the terms. So it will be a bar na ikkada ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ so that a ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಲಿ ab plus a b bar c ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ c bar ನ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ so that ಇದೆರಡು ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ನ ನಾನು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು a bar plus a is a bar plus a is 1. So it will be a bar plus a is 1 ANDed with b plus a b bar c plus c bar is again 1. So 1 ANDed with b is b plus a b bar. So now we can rearrange b plus b bar and a, that is b plus b bar and a is 1, 1 ANDed with a is a, that is equal to a. So hope you have understood today's class, and next class we will be discussing few more problems, and then thanks for your patience listening. God bless you all.